a nigga hit the lottery, so when you going up, how can you plummet? Damn, you stun it. On the land, when you expand the grands, they understand who run it. In the jam, you brung it. Coming from all the fans, the Kansas City man do.
Hey you guys, good morning. Yes, I got on my scarf, just got my hair in a bun. Up early, about to make me some breakfast for y'all. So today I'm going to eat 3 times. I'm going to eat breakfast, which I'm gonna show you what I'm having. I'm gonna eat, I guess you can call it a snack. It's a pretzel salad I made. I'll show y'all that later. And then for dinner tonight, I think I'm gonna do stuffed portobello mushrooms with some type of veggie or something. Yeah. So let's get into this video. So what I start off doing to do this omelet is 1 cup of shredded cheese, already prepackaged shredded cheese or shredded yourself. And I just put that in my pan and let it melt. And then next you're gonna add your scrambled egg mixture, nice and seasoned, and place that on top of your cheese once you think it's melted enough, and just let that cook up. Then you're gonna I took about 1/3 cup of cooked spinach because my spinach was frozen, so I had to cook it. Now if it's already not frozen, you're good to go, but I just put that on there. You can put whatever in here you like, but I just wanted spinach. And then once the egg is kind of cooked some, I go ahead and flip it over and I let it get golden brown on both sides. And this is how the end result will look. And I'm just gonna cut it in half because I don't think I can eat this whole thing, but I'm gonna show you guys how the inside looks. And we're gonna add some sour cream and some 0 carb salsa. Yeah, y'all, look at that cheese. Oh my God. And yeah, we'll be ready to eat. And that salsa that you see right there, I got it from Price Chopper. It's called Spanish Gardens 0 carb salsa. Okay, you guys, so here's my breakfast. I'm about to taste this. This is actually my first time trying this, so I'm going to try it with you guys watching me. Trying to scoot the camera back. All right, let's try this. It's nice and crispy. So trying to break through it. I'm gonna put some sour cream. I don't know if I can eat the whole thing. I'm gonna try, but it's really good. Has a nice crunch flavor. Yes, and make sure you cook your spinach before, or you don't have to. Well, I had to because mine was frozen, but if it's not frozen, just make sure your spinach is seasoned and put it in there. Okay, you guys, so I am back and I'm actually about to eat a piece of my pretzel salad, keto pretzel salad. This is a close-up of it if you can see. I'm gonna zoom in. It's let me just put it down so y'all can see. This is the Hannah's No Carb pretzel salad. The crust is made with walnuts, keto approved sweetener, and butter, just mixed up with some almond flour as well. And yeah, I'll make sure to put the recipe below in the comments. Then the next layer should not be jello, but you see jello in the next layer because my jello seeped from the top through the cream and went down in the to the second layer. The second layer should be the heavy whipping cream and cream cheese and sugar and vanilla mixture. And then the top is supposed to be the Jell-O, which is down here. I hate that happened. But the top was supposed to be the Jell-O with the strawberries. But yes, this is a keto, 100% keto approved dessert. So I'm about to eat this. I'm about to smash. About to eat some. That's crazy that the Jell-O went to the bottom. It tastes so good, you guys. Also, you guys, I wanted to show you, this was the jelly dessert that I told you is kosher, sugar-free, and keto-friendly and 0 carbs. I got this on Amazon. So this is what it looks like. And I'll flip it around so you can see. Is this the ingredient side? No, it's not. So yeah, it's vegan friendly, non-GMO, keto friendly, lactose friendly, nut free, and gluten free. Yeah, here we go. Ingredients, erythritol and all that good stuff. No, nothing too crazy. But I forgot to show y'all this. So I just wanted to show y'all. Here's the macros. It says 4 carbs, but it's not because it's sweetened with erythritol. I wish they had put it on there that way, but they didn't. But seriously, this is a 0 carbs, totally 0 carbs. Hey y'all, it's later in the day, still in the same clothes, but changed my hair because I did some videos. So earlier in the video, I said I was gonna be doing some portobello mushrooms, stuffed portobello mushrooms. Well, it's not gonna happen tonight just because I'm missing right now a few ingredients. My husband is at the store getting that, but by the time he gets back, it's gonna be too late. I don't want to eat that late, so I'll feature that in my next what I eat in a day video. So since I haven't had a lot of carby stuff today, I'm using my solar bread. Now, I didn't have any meal ideas tonight. I didn't take nothing else out because I had plans on doing the stuffed portobello mushrooms, and I didn't realize I didn't have some of the stuff to go in them. So I try not to eat the solar bread too often. It's not bad because it's still not high in carbs. But tonight, the girl's having hot dogs. I'm gonna have 2 hot dogs to end my night with a small salad. So this will be my last meal of the day. I'm gonna do the uncured beef hot dogs. I got these from Aldi's, and the macros on this is 1 carb for 1 link, 120 calories, 10 grams of fat, 7 grams of protein. So I'm gonna do 2 of these. I don't even know if I want to use the bread. I might just do 2 of these. I don't think I'm gonna use the bread today. Yeah, I want to just, yeah, because I had a dessert too, and granted, it wasn't a lot of carbs in that dessert. I might eat 1 with bread and the second one without, and then I'm gonna do a little salad. So yeah, I'm about to fry these up because I like fried hot dogs. So what I did here was take 2 of the links, put them in about 1 tablespoon of Kerrygold butter, and I'm just gonna let this fry up and get nice and kind of burnt, not burnt, but you know I like fried hot dogs. So yeah, let that go. So you guys, I decided I don't want the solar bread tonight. I really am still kind of full, not even full. I just feel like I don't really feel like eating any bread tonight. So I'm not gonna do the solar bread. So I'm just gonna do those 2 hot dogs with some mustard and some keto-ish friendly ketchup. And then I'm going to eat a small salad with these with tomato, basil, cheese crisps. I'm gonna put maybe about 6 on them. It's for 23 crisps, it's 1 net carb, but I probably won't even, I'll only have what, maybe 6 on my salad. So I'm gonna do this in a small salad with some cheese on it, and then a few of these, and that will be it. These I got from Walmart. They are 11 grams of fat, for, like I said, about 23, and it's 1 carb and yeah, 12 protein. So yeah, no to the solo bread tonight. I love it, but I really don't eat a lot of the bread that often, and I feel like I just had some last week, so I'm not gonna do it this time. But maybe next week I'll show you guys how I make my grilled cheese. So yeah, we're gonna take this away. So I'm just adding a little bit of my Chipotle ranch dressing to my mini salad, and I love this dressing. And then I just added some mustard and some sugar-free Hughes ketchup. So yeah, looks good. I was ready to eat. Wow. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's What I Eat in a Day video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, love.